Guys, one salamay, welcome back everyone. waxaan leeyahay soo dhawaada, subscribe ka, share ta ku dadaala. Somali TV show waa Dr. Zaki. Guys, waxaan ninka mar walba ka heshaan aan soo saara reaction ka bixinaya. So asla daawno videogan aan been sheegay haday video ka bixi reaction waarteen gabadha cadaankii ninkeeda isqabo. waxaa jiro video serious oo qofka ogeyn. Yada hatta slow just show people, you know, act marka wax act greenis, you have to act. Any waxaan dadka, you know, can la drama is like hello, let them think like wax oo real shit, no? hadalkan ugu badan aan daawano ila daawada. حبض أفريقيا كمجدين حبض أفريقيا كأرتيس ده هالمستيك قفكاس كله ويفهم الهد بس قبل الكلكوانا مشغولين because she keep looking the camera مثلا يا كويسة you know so
What happened today? This morning.
I did you what this morning?
You want to kill me. You take a knife, you want to kill me.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Abandi.
Okay. naagti shaqaalaha prank lagu sameeyay gabadha suqafa yiri tafray waxay leedahay nasi ma aqaan mis gabadha magaciishiisa marka he want to kill me leedahay he want to kill me taagata for real amal, you know, we deal with amal no we idarto ku dila amal ka kaasina
Yes. Bismillah you is no problem you enter with your shoes.
I brought this man to help me.
You're not fearing Allah?
Why to fear Allah?
Am I
die?
Am I killing you?
Yes, you want.
Oh shit, this is so funny wallahi. Video gonna like it.
Waka sahib. Shall waxaan ku dhahay gabadhan iska buri. Wax kale
Amidni sheego. Hadda prank kan video gan lagu soo sameeyay arba inaan iga sheekeeyo. Video ka prank kan la sameeyo waa wax real u dhacay. Ayaka ma ka hadlay laakiin si ani arkisina arkindey ku arkay real u dhacay. Soomaali badan deesi Kenya naga doono cidi askartu soo wadanayso lacagta kullaheen lacag kale ay kulleeda sheeganayso. That is something happening for real. So Uganda sidoo kale dadka hadda Uganda inay joogaan oo maleynaa because askariga ninka askari leeyihiin like washmaan weega bas ninka dharku xiran yahay, you know, askarta Kenya is different.
I'm not lying. It's true she want to kill me. Take a knife even she want to kill me. I'm not lying.
بعد المدة يسوق.
Sure she's lying.
It's lying.
Yes.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
بين شو سايدة.
Don't get what she said.
But let me tell you.
What?
Now you think I'm killing you and I take knife for you.
Yes.
Why are you making me like that, Sandra?
Why not? What if you?
ما حساني بسمينا سايدة. حتى وحمل الصداق ده وكدلنا وكدلا عمل, you know. So how I عمل like let me say, am I kill you now? No. So.
Kill me. When I say
Am I killing you?
Yes.
Why?
You want to kill me? It's true. I'm not lying.
You know the African English, you know how accents are learning high, so how we talk, you know, is different. So yeah, so you know, some people they don't even can understand because accents ka or English ka Africa. So and that one.
People. Odimba dawe.
No,
Wallahi
I'm
Odimba.
not lying.
Wallahi Odimba. Odimba.
Af Ugandese ku hadlaysa hada.
I'm the fact.
Wakasa af Ugandese.
I'm telling you the fact. This morning I had a problem with Shadow. And Shadow take me a knife. At first he started to shout on me, talking nonsense. What? And after that, she said that if I don't leave this house, she's going to kill me. She take a knife and she won't even kill me for.
Am I killing you?
Yes, you are.
God, bro, sheekadu way kacday cirkas la tagtay gabadhii killing camal, you know. So like naagtin west waxay dhahday ha waa ku dilay dhahday you're gonna kill me camal, no. Wilka
Okay, you have come to this Askari for which problem? Explain from what happened.
This girl wants to kill.
Not to fakanasa real, you know, prank adam khishi prank or qof wuxuu ogeena lagu subinaa. So like this one you have to like be serious, bro, you know, acting kaaga inuu noqdo wax serious ah oo qofka kale uu serious inay taa u arkayo.
It's your boss.
I don't care whether this is my boss. I don't care. Now you want to tell me you want to kill me. Now you want to kill me. Now you want to kill me. I can stay with you.
والعلوة فلسال فلسو.
Sack video. Okay, let's say. Speaking in English, I don't understand.
First read. No, we are just explaining our language. First read.
Let me tell you, okay?
Yes.
Morning, she brought me a cup from there, okay? And I said, this thing.
gabadha Soomaalida waxay dhahday waxay iga sameysay saakay waxay iga sameysay gabadha ku qabtay waa arkaysan videoga kaamirada soo fiirinaysa taasna waxa waay sometimes kaamirada ku mashquulin wixina actigraysi waay. Okay, that point midda kale gabadha waxay dhoosa hadda glass iga jibisay gabadha koob iga jibisay. So koobkii hadda laga hadlaa marka midda kale waa lagu shitay magtada Soomaalida. So wax ay ku baabaysay raadinaysaa, you know.
I will buy money. Please don't do again. Just stop shouting. But I know the one who brought me. Did I take you nice? Did I take you nice? You are.
أنا مدري waxay tahay qofta kale ma arkasmiya caadi iyadoo like hadle so she do it that because waxay kamarada sino prank marka sameynaysa you don't have to even kamarada ku mashquulin set up everything first time ka and then ila oo arinta prank ka dhamaanayo don't look on the camera.
Not me.
Oliva was like.
You people, two of you,
Oliva.
you are staying together. Askari now. For which problem?
Because you want to kill me. That is the only reason why I
But
want to.
we can solve. But why do you bring Askari here?
No solving here.
Now you want to.
You want to run out
No.
Yes, let's.
Waxalde wala dhameena waxaan we gonna finish it. No, it taagtahay. We can solve this. No. So waa ku xira camalno qofta kale waa.
Let's him arrest her.
Waytiga maqbuura leedahay
The rule cannot even write what? To arrest someone.
I'm a pregnant. I cannot find a going.
No.
I cannot go with you.
Here we go. This is a
I'm a pregnant.
Whether you like it or yes, you are going to stay there with your pregnant. Yes.
No.
You will go and stay.
Okay, what we will do for you?
I will give you how much money.
uura leedahay u sheeg uura leedahay ma la xiri kara camal. You know Africa so funny anu xaasta qofka markii la qabto Africa Kenya gabadha heera ka dabarda war uura leedahay ha hooy u sheeg uura leedahay dhaha uura leedahay way sii deena. So I've been seeing that, you know. So the same thing had dhaaday uura leedahay dhaha, you know, uura leedahay dhaha. So gabadha markii she's serious, bro.
Give your money and you will go. That is easy. Because how can they arrest someone? Now for you, it's still your life. No one has
What
killed
the
you.
size?
Is it?
Stress.
Now what are you doing? That's scary for me.
Because you want to kill me.
What do you think? Am I taking you?
Now you are alive. You see, now you are alive.
Oliva.
No.
I thought like my sister, but you are not my sister, by the way.
Oh God, bro, like this prank is the best prank I've never seen before. waxay dhow gabadha way oysay I swear to God naagta madowda way jilaysaa brotherkeygii bro watch this.
God,
bro.
At first, even I thought you were my best friend, but you changed your mind. Why do you change your mind like that?
والله قفت برتا كده الله محا سومالي كان ودكيجي تاغتاي guys, this is really good one. Prank at the community, prank at I promise you, the action of better.
My sister,
tan adoonta walaa ma qosasho qofta gayga prank kan wiilka Soomaali gabadhaas ka dambeeyo qoftan waxa waaye dhiilkeeda afka hore waa loo daadino lacag shaqada laga buri kara qoftaas sidee wax naaqday dhado ana ma prank igu suubiso maanta igu sisay iga bax you know later marka prank dhamaado so kasteeda fiican you know waa loo kalkiciy because serious I don't lacag loo dhiibo you know how it is right
on me. What is that? Instead of
guys, prank والله وحليه همبليو prank is the best prank I've ever seen. What then how they do it. This is really good. So وحليه prank the so digesi inkasto qaladiyo qaad kood u jiro but make sure the best prank in social media ee dadka ka helayaan you know waxaan waxa u soo sameynaysiin waa shacabka so and YouTube kan laga helo so make sure guys share garee video gan subscribe to last kana hello see you bye